Hey guys, Alex Quinn here from Arctic Trailer and RV. Today I want to show you our 2022 Passport 221 BH. Now this beautiful unit falls under the SL series. A couple great things I love about this unit. One is its practicality. So lovely things about this. So one, you have your fiberglass exterior. You have your giant pass-through storage. And at the very end of it, on the other side, you actually have a universal docking station, which typically you'll see in like higher end units like Sprinter Limited and stuff like that, or fifth wheels. So it's really, really cool. Friction hinge doors, so you don't have to worry about any heavy winds kind of hitting against it. 2022s also come with a 200-watt solar panel as well as inverter pret. Come around side here, we have our outside kitchen. So we have a nice little setup here, some additional storage up top. Nice wide awning with beautiful LED lights. And if you come around here, this is a really cool thing, very specific for Passport themselves, is the rear cargo storage. So if you kind of hop in here, have a little quick peek, you can actually see this full pass-through, and I can actually lift this bunk bed up as well. So if you have maybe any kayaks or bikes or anything, or even just like a ton of boxes or something for storage, it's really brilliant. It takes a lot off your hands, especially if you pack it into the truck or your SUV or anything like that. Just a very beautiful unit. Yeah, power stabilizers, you have 4. Now if we dive inside, so right away this is gonna have your Murphy bed set up. So it's nice and wide. It does have a bigger slide as well, so it does give you a lot more space kind of walking through it. As well as if you're not using your bed all the time, you do have this lovely seating, nice thick cushions. You also have 3 storage compartments underneath. Tons of storage here as well. So you have 3 units here. This actually access, you can actually put a garbage can or even like maybe recycling, and you can access it from both sides. You have a nice big U-shaped dinette. These are actually pull out. So some kind of show just like a little cupboard and you have to actually reach underneath or maybe above. So this just makes it really easy, especially if you're putting things away. Nice large windows on each side with your blinds as well that you can retract down. Come around here, again, nice and spacious. You have a TV set up top here. Now if you're not using this TV, it's probably a little stiff, but there's actually additional storage if you can kind of see behind there. But you can actually put a lot of stuff up there too, even your DVD players, even just like additional spices even too. Microwave up top, 3-range burner here as well. You actually have an oven in this one as well. More storage below, you can put your pots and pans in there. This is your 2-way fridge, 10 cubic feet. So you can actually use gas or electric for this one, so whatever kind of works best for you. And that just shuts and clicks in there. Now over here, one thing you're gonna notice right away, you probably heard me say it, storage. It's really brilliant in these Passports because you can really make it your own. You don't have to worry about like what you can or cannot bring. Tons of storage up top. You can put your coats in there if you really want to, boots. You can put all your fishing gear down below. Just tons and tons of space. One thing really Passports are really have it narrowed down to is that practicality in that storage. So it's really nice, and it has some very nice high quality points. Nothing really creaks in here, nothing makes a lot of noise, so it's very well built. As well as you have your double sized bed up top. You do have a 300-pound maximum load on top as well. And again, if you do have the beds down, maybe you don't have any bikes or something like that, you can actually still slide in boxes down below, so you can really access it from both sides if you need to. In here you have a nice large bathroom. The shower tub is a little bit wider, easier to clean, is a little deeper too, so you don't have to worry about water splashing out. You have a mirror, medicine cabinet, as well as a window inside the bathroom as well. Just tons of quality points, and if you're like me, I love to cook, and having access to a full kitchen setup here and still have a ton of room is really awesome. So you have this extended counter. You do have this large stainless steel sink, and then you have plenty of storage over here. So you can put your mixing bowls or whatever you want. And if you're not using a range, just additional counter space. So just a really brilliant unit, guys. Tons of space, very comfortable. And I'll show you something here as well. So we have our Murphy bed. Now this sets up pretty easily down. It's very light. You just have your 2 latches up top and drops. Pretty simple. You have two storage cabinets here. You also have your countertops down there as well. So if you have your books, phones, anything like that. And again, still plenty of space to walk in and out of the trailer. So whatever you're going to use it for, Passport has really made it easy for you. It's made it convenient and very comfortable. But if you want to learn more, please comment, share, let us know what you think. And if you have any questions, please let us know. And again, thank you very much for watching. My name's Alex Quinn.
All right, now I'm going to show you the universal docking center that's available on all the Passport models, even their small little guys. So on the back side of your pass-through storage, where you have your nice slam latch and your magnetic catch, you'll notice all your outside hookups. Okay, so super convenient. This is your outside shower. You got your fresh and your city water connections right there. Switches for your power jacks, front and back. So those are nice out of the elements. You don't have to worry about, wires getting corroded and stuff because they're gonna stay nice and dry in there. You got your satellite prep and then your Key TV hookups as well. What Key TV is basically you have a universal hookup for all the TV outlets inside the unit. When you're running your water system, let's say your city water connection, there is just a cork here. You just pop that, slide that through, and then that's where you would have your fresh water hose connected to your city water connection. Right next to your hot water heater, everything is nice and compact and easy to access. Mike from Arctic Trailer, I'll catch you next time.